boys and girls. I'm Miss Holly, and I'm a teacher from at home. Can you learn with me today? Great! Here we go. Today for this activity, you're going to need your thinking cap. Can you put on your thinking cap? Go ahead, put it on. Tighten it up nice and tight. Are you ready? Great, here we go. Today, we are going to play a game called What's Inside the Box? What do you think is inside the box? Those are some really great guesses. Today, I'm going to give you 3 clues to figure out what's inside the box. You ready? Clue number 1. It's orange. What could be orange and inside the box? Those were great guesses. Are you ready for clue number 2? Okay, here we go. Clue number 2 is that it's round. That's a different word, round. Round is also the same word for circle. Circle. So what could be round and orange inside the box? What do you think? You're getting closer. Clue number 3 is it can bounce. Bounce. What can bounce and is round and is orange? Do you have any more guesses? I think you may have figured it out. Let's see if you're right. What is inside the box? If you guess basketball, you're right. A basketball can bounce and is round or circle and is the color orange. Great job today, boys and girls. You can do this activity at home too. All you need is a box, something from around your house, and you can ask your family with some clues to figure out what's inside the box. Keep on learning at home. Bye, boys and girls.